Cool, calm, collected. Completely in control. That's how you're expected to appear to clients. They're trusting you to deliver a great service. And you want to show them that you've got it handled. But behind the scenes, it's a different story. It's chaos behind the car. Shared mailboxes, spreadsheet spaghetti, firefighting, endless manual work delivered by busy staff, and no visibility. And because you can't see, you have very little control. Mistakes happen. SLAs get missed. Results dip. And this is more common than you think. As markets tank and budgets tighten, clients place more pressure on their suppliers. And under this pressure, this fragile way of delivering service starts to crack. Performance? Well, that's anyone's guess. This way of delivering service isn't viable anymore. It's time to stand out or lose out. And that's where Enate comes in. Enate acts as the control tower for service delivery. One platform to manage all the work with X-ray vision across the operation. No more emails, no more spreadsheets, no more disruption. Just brilliant service, perfectly measured and ready to scale. If you're still delivering business services in the dark, it's time to turn on the lights. Make your business as usual brilliant. Follow this link to find out more.